Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmummy.com, and today I want you to come along with me as I clean and decorate our master bedroom for spring. Now I hope we can still stay friends after I show you this horrendous before picture of our master bedroom as it was earlier this week. Now to be fair, I have 3 darling girls and I was really sick for a whole week. Plus we went away for a weekend, so this is the current laundry situation. This seems to be what always gets me, is our laundry. It just piles up and up and up. Plus the master bedroom is really the last thing that I take care of when I'm cleaning my house, because really only my family sees it. We're also working on our master bathroom. You can see kind of a little glimpse of it there, and I can't wait to show you that really soon. So here's what I did to clean and decorate our bedroom for spring. So I think I'm going to donate that bench at the end of the bed because it really is just a place where I collect a whole bunch of junk, and I'm going to put my vintage chair pair at the end of the bed instead, just to see what it's like and see if it's functional for us. Little B was my cleaning and decorating buddy this week, and it's always so much fun to work with her because she just pretty much chats the whole time, and we just do like make-believe stories and things as I clean up. So I don't really use anything fancy when I clean up. I'm just using regular old Windex on all my mirrors. I have this really large mirror in my bedroom, as well as some mirrored nightstands, and I definitely wouldn't put them anywhere else but in the master bedroom, and even here they get so dirty. As you can see, the tops of these nightstands just get super dusty and lots of fingerprints, but I still think they're beautiful once they're clean. So I just went through and just decluttered everything. I just removed everything from the top of my nightstands, anything in the bedroom I wanted to donate, and just tackled this crazy pile of laundry with me and B. And I ended up throwing like 15 single socks in the garbage, which always feels so good because those socks, I seriously do not know what happens to them in laundry. They always disappear. So I just threw a whole bunch out. Then I decided to do something kind of different here. I don't know if you guys are going to like this, but let me know in the comments below what you think. This garland is actually Christmas garland. It's probably one of my favorite decor purchases to date. It was rather expensive. I remember it being maybe around $50 or $60 per garland at a little local shop in our area. And if you look really closely, it has little white jingle bells and holly berries on it, but I find it to be very multi-seasonal. I've used it for Christmas decor, I've used it for fall decor, and now I want to try to make it work for spring. So let me know what you guys think of this springified version of this little boxwood garland. So I just set the garland up on top of our headboard. Our headboard is very wide, so it can actually hold quite a few things on top, like a little shelf. And then I took some faux peonies and I just stuck them into the garland, just kind of wherever I thought they looked pretty. I'm trying to make the pattern just really nice and random here. I think peonies are my #1 favorite flower, followed by roses, and I would love to hear what your favorite flower is in the comments below because it's spring after all. So after I put the peonies into my boxwood garland, I just grabbed some kind of faux ferns, or I really don't know what these are, some sort of dangling faux greenery, and put that in the boxwood garland as well, just to kind of give it a little more romance and make it a little more springy than it looks now. Okay, so after I put the wispy greenery in, I just have some pink faux tulips. Both the tulips and the peonies are from afloral.com. I love these. I use them seriously all the time. And the boxwood garland is just from a local store here, and then the other greenery is from Michael's. So after I put that garland on top of my headboard, which I actually think is really pretty, I just dressed our bed just with white sheets and a white quilt I have that I found at Restoration Hardware online a few years ago on discount. And I love just white on white on white, especially in the spring and the summer months. It's just so clean and crisp. Now on the bed, I'm just using some of my own pillows. These are from my Christina Dennis collection, Aqua Buffalo Check, as well as a pillow that I sewed, and I'll leave a link in the description box below to the fabric. Of course, some fresh flowers. Can't go wrong with some beautiful fresh tulips for spring. I just always grab them at the grocery store whenever they're on sale. And then I have this arm knit blanket that I made with just some really pretty pink springy yarn. I'll leave a link in the description box below to my arm knit blanket tutorial. And then on the chairs on the end of the bed, I put some more pillows, so a nice pink one and some more buffalo check. So just for kicks, here is another view of the crazy, insanely messy before bedroom, and now here's how the bedroom looks now. This took a day, but it was definitely worth it. I am so happy with how happy and springy and clean and organized our bedroom looks now. Within the next week or two, we're going to finish up our master bedroom ensuite, the master bedroom bathroom, and I can't wait to show you guys that as well. It's actually quite a bit different than I originally planned, but I think it turned out really neat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this clean and decorate with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more DIY and decor ideas. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.